Welcome to TradeSpoon. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon. And today we're going to have a market discussion about current market condition and trade of the day. Before we begin, please take a look at the disclosures. Trading stock and options involve risk and are not suitable for everyone. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept it in order to invest in current market conditions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not registered with FINRA nor SEC. I'm showing you what I do in my own account based on my own risk tolerance level for general education and information purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor prior to making any trading decisions. Also, should not be assumed that the future trade picks will be profitable or will equal past performance, and you can see the relationship between TradeSpoon and Trading Block on the bottom of your screen. All right, let's take a look at the current market. Right now it's trading at 299 spiders. This is the stock forecast toolbox, makes prediction for the next 10 days. For the next 10 days, we see slightly negative bias in the market. For today, the support is at overhead resistance is at 300, support is at 298. We've been fluctuating between 299 and 300. Going for the next 10 days, we see again slightly negative bias, potentially retesting the 50-day moving average at 295 and 296, which is a critical support for SPY. Looking at the 50-day moving looking at the 50 days prediction, this is a seasonal chart. For now, I'm looking at the QQQ. So very highly correlated to spiders. 3 out of 4 predictions are high, meaning that short term for the next 20 days potentially can be volatile for QQQ, retesting not as low as October lows, but coming close to August lows. So from seasonality point of view, for last months of September, first couple of weeks of October could be volatile, but then once earnings season starts, starting in November, usually make a year-end rally. So I anticipate that the market will repeat its historical price action for the next 10 days. Again, support for QQQ is around 187, corresponding to the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is a little bit higher, and then overhead resistance is about 195. Looking at the price pattern for NASDAQ, again, we've touched the 50-day moving average briefly yesterday. We're off today's high, potentially retesting yesterday's low, currently trading at 190. So it's important for the bulls to hold on to the 189, 190 level on QQQ, and same price patterns for spiders. QQQ is slightly underperforming the spiders as of right now. What drives the market? Again, U.S. China negotiations, lack of progress, and expectation that whether the new tariffs will be added on October 15th or not. So next couple of weeks are very important if we can reach some kind of understanding with China. If not, then there is potential for pullback for the market if the tariffs will go up on October 15th. How do you trade in current market conditions? We have weekly trader service. Last week I covered monthly trader, weekly trader, similar fashion. It's a different model. It's optimized to make predictions for the next 5 days. So I looked on September 16th, trade ID on September 16th was CB, buying at 158.94, 158.97. You can see from September 16, the stock moved from 158.94. If you got in at 158.94, it's currently at 160. So definitely insurance companies are at all-time high. Sectors that are not exposed to Europe and U.S. and China negotiations are outperforming the market, such as home builder and insurance companies. So CB is one example of our weekly trader model. Not only do we provide these signals, we trade them in the live trading room. This is another weekly trader from this week. I actually exit half of the position. Full disclosure, I still have 3 contracts left, but bought MA MasterCard spread. MasterCard and Visa has been underperforming. Model did identify potential push to the upside. Was able to capture 10% profit overnight, and then looking for another 10% profit for Friday's expiration using options trade. Trade idea for today is AES. So this is utility stock. Utilities has been outperforming the market. AES is something that I also traded today in the live trading room environment. You can see currently I don't have a position. This is a day trading. I was able to get in at $16.20 and get out of $16.29, looking for 0.5% profit using the model. And again, the trend is to the upside. So this is an example of day trading or short-term trade for utility sector. And that's a trade idea for today. We do have sister company, Yellow Tunnel. We have a webinar with Dr. Andrew Maneker. He's a clinical psychologist who's also a professional trader and coach for a lot of professional traders. So I encourage you to participate tomorrow at 3:30. You can register on Yellow Tunnel under quick navigation, upcoming webinars. So register for 3:30 Central event. If you cannot attend live, you can still get a recording. So I encourage you to register when you get a chance. We also have active investor workshops every other Tuesday. So this is an event takes place on tradesman.com every other Tuesday at 3:30 Central. And finally, please follow us on social media for all the latest market commentary news. Thank you very much and have a great day.